Hi guys, Jalisa here. Welcome back to my channel. Your girl has been pushing out these videos and I wanted to just cover the month with all of my favorites and share them with you. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So of course, everything that I've shared with you this month have been beauty products. So I'm just going to be sharing my top 5 favorites. We're not going to make this video too long. My top 5 favorites. Let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, RMS Beauty, they released a new foundation, Re-Evolve Natural Finish Foundation. That has been, oh my gosh, this foundation is perfect. This is it right here. I have it in the shade 55 and I absolutely love it. I'm actually wearing it on my face right now and it's giving me like natural skin. I can barely feel it on my face. I love a foundation when I can't feel it on my face. It matches perfectly with my skin tone and I love that it is so moisturizing to my skin as well. Y'all go pick up RMS Beauty's foundation. I don't know if y'all have heard of the brand before, but I'm going to link their website down below so that you can check it out for yourself. Look at all the shades they have. If they have your shade, highly suggest you try it out. The next product that I have for you guys to show you is RMS Beauty's Living Luminizer. RMS Beauty's Living Luminizer. So, this baby right here, little container it is, but it's super duper pretty. It shows up, and I have some of my concealer in here because when I apply this product, I use my fingertips to apply it, and I just need to make sure that I clean my fingertips completely whenever I dip into it. So yeah, this product. It's really in the container, in the little container it's showing up white, but when you put it on your fingertips it shows up clear. It's so pretty. I have it on my face right now as well, and it just gives off, like when you're in that light, it gives off like a natural reflection in the light. Like you can see it, and so I can only imagine what it looks like in the sunlight. It's so pretty. It's highlighter, but it gives you like a natural highlight. Oh, love it. I'm gonna link it down below. Next on my list is a product from YSL Beauty, and I have been absolutely loving their mascara. This baby right here, it's been all over Instagram, my Instagram anyway. Y'all know how these algorithms work. It's been all over the algorithm. And this is their Lash Clash mascara. I am wearing it actually on my eyes right now. And I love it because I have been getting away from wearing a whole lot of strip lashes, just because when I'm getting ready, I'm looking for like the quickest thing to get me out the door. Not saying I have anything against strip lashes, but if I can have a mascara that's going to give me like that strip lash look, I'm all for it. And this mascara does that for me, and it lasts all day. They have a waterproof one as well, so yeah, check them out. The next product that is on my list is this baby right here. Y'all, I really need to clean up my space. I need to clean up my space. That's what I need to do. This stuff is all over the place. But it's this baby right here. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Serum lip gloss. It's so pretty. I did a video on this product as well, and I'm in love with it. It provides like a very hydrated finish to your lips. It's not sticky on the lips either, which is really good. That's a plus. I hate lip glosses that are sticky, but it's really hydrating to the lips. I keep one in my purse. I have this one in 3 different shades, and I love all 3. I love all 3, but the one I'm showing you today is, which one is this? I don't even know which one this is, but it's the clear one. It's only 3. This is the clear one, kind of iridescent. Yeah, I like it. Next on my list of favorites is actually a product I have not shared with you guys at all on my channel yet. So this is the YSL. I don't want to say it wrong, but I really love this perfume, y'all. This is the YSL Myself Eau de Perfume. I love it. You can find it at Ulta. So it's in the woody fragrance family, and it has notes of fresh accord, orange blossom, absolute heart, and wood's heart. So this is what the container looks like, and the smell of this perfume, oh, it smells so good. I can't even, like, it gives me like a musk, and then it's also like fresh, but it's very vibrant, and it lasts all day. It smells so good. I get so many compliments when I wear it. It's just, I love the packaging of the bottle. It's lovely. That's all I gotta say. I'll link it down below. Try it out. Go in the store, smell it. You'll love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed all of the favorites that I had to share with you guys today. If you have used any of these products, let me know down in the comment section. If you plan to try out any of these products, let me know that as well. But be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.